Welcome to GTIS Group, where we do not sell services, we deliver performance. We're excited to take you on a journey through our company. Today, we will take you through our facilities, including our state-of-the-art chemical laboratory. Let's dive in! At GTIS Group, we believe in the power of combining expertise with innovation. Our team of world-class experts work closely with our clients to develop tailored solutions which address their very unique challenges. Here are the services offered by GTIS Group. Now, let's head into our chemical laboratory, where innovation meets precision. Our lab is equipped with cutting-edge technology, staffed by skilled chemistry lab technicians and petroleum engineers dedicated to delivering accurate and reliable results. We aim at bringing a wealth of expertise across industries. With a client-first approach, we customize solutions that drive success to sustainability. Let's take a moment to highlight the success of our most valuable partnerships, which spans key areas including engineering operations, business solutions, and training skills development. Thank you for joining us on this tour of GTIS Group. We hope you've gained insight into our engineering services and the capabilities of our chemical laboratory. We are GTIS Group. Scan the QR code for more information. Don't be shy!